In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete a signature on your Microsoft Outlook using a Mac computer fast 2025 guide. If you've got old, duplicate, or outdated email signatures cluttering things up, this quick walkthrough will help you remove them cleanly. We'll use the built-in settings in Outlook for Mac, and I'll point out a few tips so you know exactly what to expect along the way. First, open Microsoft Outlook on your Mac. With the app active, look to the very top of your screen at the macOS menu bar. Click Outlook, then choose Settings. This is the central place where Outlook keeps your preferences. If your layout looks a little different, don't worry. On some versions, this area may appear as a grid of icons or include a search bar. You're in the right place as long as you're in Outlook's Settings panel. Inside Settings, find the Mail section and click Compose and Reply. This is where Outlook manages composing options and, importantly, your signatures. It's a good idea to give this page a second to load, especially if you've got multiple signatures or templates. Now scroll down until you reach the email signature section. Here you'll see a list of every signature saved in Outlook on this Mac. Select the signature you want to delete by clicking on it once. You should see it highlighted or its contents appear in the editor. If any delete option looks unavailable, it usually means nothing is selected yet. So make sure that signature is clearly selected. To remove it, click the minus icon or right-click the selected signature and choose Delete. Outlook will immediately remove it from the list. This only deletes the saved signature. It won't change emails you've already sent, and it won't erase any text in existing messages. If you delete the wrong one by accident, you can recreate it later by adding a new signature, but there's no dedicated undo button for this action, so be sure you've selected the correct one before confirming. When you're done, simply close the settings window. Outlook saves these changes automatically. There's no save button to press. If that signature was previously set as your default for new messages or replies, Outlook will no longer apply it, or it may use another signature if one is still set as default. That's it. Open Outlook, go to Outlook in the menu bar, choose Settings, head to Compose and Reply, scroll to Email Signature, select the one you don't need, delete it, and close the window. You've cleaned up your signature list in just a few clicks. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helped streamline your Outlook on Mac.